Hey everyone, I'm heading to my laser appointment and I'm running kind of late, so let me go ahead and rush and get to my laser appointment. Oops, my bad.
How are you, girlie?
Good. Do you mind if I can use the restroom?
Go ahead.
Okay. Go get my nails done and my eyebrows done. I just came from a laser appointment and I am definitely needing to continue on my maintenance. This is around the time where I do like my monthly maintenance appointments. So that's what we're about to do collectively as a group. Why did I just see an accident? Accident just happened right now. Okay, I'm gonna get off my camera because these folks don't know how to drive. And what in the hell? What in the hell? Ugh. Why did that girl run into that guy like that? Like, why? But you know, sometimes that is super unexpected. Accidents are very unfortunate and they're unexpected. Just the call can wait, the text can wait, the vlogging can wait. But I'm at a stop sign. I'm at a stop light. I'm currently at a stoplight, so I'm not actively just. Anyways, I'm not gonna incriminate myself, but that's really unfortunate that that happened to the two parties that are involved in this little accident right here. Ooh-wee, child.
Pretty.
Thank you.
त्यसको लागि थ्याङ्क यू भनेको थाहा थियो तिमी अब तिमीले त्यस्तै तिमी ठाउँमा ठिकै छौ सटरडे कसो बर्थडे सन्डेमा त कहाँ हुन्छ छोरीको बर्थडे त नेक्स्ट त्यही सन्डे नेक्स्ट त्यही हो त्यो विकमा चाहिँ उसले मतलब अरू बेला भन्दा कम चाहिँ बोलेको हो होइन अनि मैले उसलाई भन्दाखेरि होइन त्यतिखेर त म बिजी भएर मिटिङ भएकोले म चाहिँ तिमीसँग नबोलेको होइन अनि त ऊ आएन नि त उसले मतलब ऊ त्यहाँ घरमा थिएन नि त
Okay. Hey guys, how's everybody been doing? I've been doing okay. I am juggling a lot of projects at once. However, I'm excited to go ahead and share that with y'all. So thank you for tuning into my vlog once more, and let's just jump right into it. Hey, Debbie. How's everything been going? Are you guys doing well? How's life? How's everybody been?
I'm a man of my word. Oh my gosh, by golly, it's time for Christmas presents, countrysides covered with snow. Oh my gosh, sprinkle overeating meadows that big night, Yuletide in. Oh my gosh, by golly, it's there, ready for you.
I'm about to go get my nails done. It is that time of month. I need a new set.
Thank you. And she actually just finished. So,
Okay.
and I showed it to her. She said she does have like the stuff to do it, and she can do it.
Okay, for sure. You're the bestest. Thank you so much. You're a queen for that. Thank you.
Excuse me. Would you mind if I took a photo of your nails real quick?
Yeah, you surely
For my
can.
future.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Thấy nó nhỏ dữ luôn hả? Quay hả? Yeah. Rất là nhỏ. Cái với tay cái lông che.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty with you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe, everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the streets and it's coming tonight.
Hey guys, I hope everybody has been doing well. As of now, I'm about to wrap some gifts. I wanted to show you guys some wrapping paper that I got because as of now, I'm feeling the wrapping paper choices. I only have 2 wrapping papers, but I really think that would be very cute for my tree and give off that aesthetic feel. So let me show you my wrapping paper. I picked up these 2 wrapping papers from Five Below. They were about $5, but yeah, this one happens to be a, let's see, Hello Kitty theme. It is extremely cute. I love it so much. And I picked up this simple Merry wrapping paper. This one gives off like a candy cane vibe to it, and it just says Merry all around it. It is super adorable. I also added some accessories to the bunch, and I picked up a few bows because I love bows. So I got this little confetti bows here, and they're so freaking cute. I got this one and this one here. It's super adorable. I love these. I cannot wait to wrap these gifts and make them all beautiful. But yeah, guys, what have you guys been up to? Are you guys Christmas shopping yet? Have you filled your Christmas list? What's on your wish list, by the way? What else is going on? Update me. Let me know what's good. Out of the 2 gift wraps, I would definitely say that the Hello Kitty is definitely my favorite because I love Hello Kitty. But this one with the candy cane theme, oh my gosh, so beautiful. And I love the color schemes. This is all me. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to wrapping these gifts so I can place them under the tree and get 1 task down, 100 more to go. By the way, did you cop the new nails? My nail lady hooked me up. I love this new set. It is giving Christmas, but everyday style. So yeah, these are my new set. But y'all, I did go ahead and put together a few gifts, as you can see here. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog off and hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, but it was so fun hanging with you guys tonight again for another Vlogmas episode. Until then, peace, love, and take care. Bye.